Yay! Good morning. How are you? So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect an external microphone to your Android phone. I know many has done this video, but I would like to make my own because honestly, I just figured it out only like 2 days ago on how to make it work. Because the first time I used it, it was not working and I didn't know why. I'm not that, knowledgeable pagdating sa mga connections. And so I wanted to message the seller and ask her like, why is this not working? But then research and ayon, how to make it work. So for those people who are new to, to this vlogging thing, I'll show you how. So I have here a mini on-power microphone MIC10. Here it is. I bought this on Shopee. If you saw my previous video, I did the setup, but actually I didn't use the microphone and the light. And then I bought it as a set. So you can buy this or any microphone that you need from Shopee. So along with this microphone, they also gave me TRS and TRRS patch cable. There. So now let's start. So when I bought this microphone, it goes with 2 patch cables. And if you see here, I have this TRS cable, and this is a TRRS and a TRS cable. So what is a TRS? TRS, see, has 2 rings. TRS is a tip ring sleeve, and a TRRS is a tip ring sleeve. Okay. TRS is often used sa mga stereo, as the addition of the ring gives us 2 contacts, allowing us a left and right audio channel. And for the TRRS cable, this is usually going to include both a left and right channel as well as the microphone channel. These are often found at the end of the headset or earbud set that include an inline controller to allow you to speak using a built-in microphone. So again, the easiest way to identify whether it's a TRS or TRRS is the rings. Just count how many rings. For the TRRS, you have 3 rings, and the TRS, you have only 2 rings. Okay. So last time I used because I didn't know, no? I used dalawang TRS cable, which didn't work. And I was wondering why it didn't work. Look. If you go to video, you see there is no like notification that says you're using a microphone, right? Or an external microphone. Wala. Nothing. But so if you use this here, this TRS here in the audio, which is mali nga rin, no, which is wrong, with a big mistake. So wala, no, nothing. Okay, because the right thing is this TRS should be here, sabi nga, diba? And this TRRS, which enables you to speak, sabi, TRRS should be here, And when you record, ta-da! Record audio through headset. See? So there, you can now use your microphone. Okay. So let's try. So again, this is with microphone. Let's see. It is more compact, more clear, more clean ang audio than without microphone. Okay. So again, let us try to check without microphone. Let's unplug it. 1, 2. Okay, there. This is without microphone. Without the external microphone. So I hope you see the difference again. I mean, you hear the difference. I hope it makes a big difference. Okay. Thank you. I hope you like this video. Bye.